So welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two pet insurance platform, which is Nationwide and Trupanion. So let's dive into it. So talking about Trupanion offers simple and straightforward coverage with a flat 90% reimbursement rate, unlimited lifestyle payout, and also annual caps. It also has the unique vet direct pay features, which allows vets to be paid instantly so pet owners don't have to wait for reimbursement. With the customizable deductible and no pet day based premium hike, it isn't designed for pet owners who want a long-term comprehensive coverage and a peace of mind. So talking about Nationwide, on the other hand, provide more affordable option with the different plan types, including wellness, hands-on, and coverage for exotic pets. It also offers a multiple pet discount, making it ideal or household with the more fixed deductible and a slower reimbursement compared to Trupanion. So if you want simplicity and robust coverage, Trupanion is still the strong choice, but if budget and wellness coverage matter most to you, Nationwide is worth considering. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos.